recent meeting was yesterday, and he asked about timelines, and he asked about his legal strategy, and he asked for very small things, his personal clothes and guide book.
About the legal strategy, can you give us an idea of what the legal strategy will be?
Unfortunately, no. You have to contact Attorney Nicholas Kaufman because he's the only one who can explain it.
Okay, but is it about jurisdiction? Is it about procedure? Is it about the case?
Unfortunately, I cannot talk about the case. It is only Attorney Nicholas Kaufman who can talk to you about what he and the team plans to do.
Yeah, how's he feeling about the case and about his situation?
He's very confident about the legal arguments. He's very confident about that what they did was wrong, and there is no case to begin with.
There's no case to begin with?
Yes.
Okay, so it's not just about jurisdiction, he's contesting all of the charges.
That is what I understand from the former President Duterte. But it is another matter on the legal strategy. You really need to talk to Attorney Nicholas Kaufman.
How long will you be in the Netherlands? You've been here for a while now.
Yes, I'm here until the entire team is set up. The entire legal team is set up, and I come up with a scheduling with my siblings on who will stay here when.
Okay.
Maybe the last time we talked to Attorney Kaufman, sabi niya muna yung team at may isang Pinoy. Is that correct?
You have to ask him about that. You have to ask Nicholas Kaufman about the team.
All right. And then as to your siblings po, who's may nakaschedule na ba? Kamusta po yung processing nila ng visa rin?
Yes, we initially agreed on a scheduling. My two brothers, they don't have visas at the moment, so it's only my sister who can come, and she's coming right before the birthday of President Duterte, and she'll stay on until her birthday because her birthday is in the first weeks of May, and yes.
So si Kitty po yung may visa na.
I don't want to discuss her papers. Yes.
How is his health? Because he was ill for the first hearing. He seemed very tired. Does he feel better now?
Yes, he feels better now, and thankfully the doctors and the nurses are taking good care of him. Yes, we saw him jet lagged and fatigued and very sleepy during the first day.
Is he getting better food now?
He's getting rice. That's what we asked for, and it's cooked perfectly, correct according to Filipino taste. Yes.
Maybe you mentioned that there might not be a government in 2028. What do you mean by that?
Because of the way that we see our country is run right now, there are serious questions about the budget, and I questioned that before. I already warned everyone about how the budget is done, and after what they did to President Duterte, knowing that he is the strongest opposition, he has the strongest lineup of opposition senators right now, we feel that there is something cooking about the upcoming elections.
Mr. Duterte, can you tell us something about the process so far at the ICC? Its first hearing, the judge was French, nobody speaks French. Can you tell us a little bit about how the hearing went, how the process is going at the moment?
Well, we would have wanted that the lawyer, Attorney Medialdea, speak more about what really happened, how he got to the ICC, how the president was forced into a plane and taken against his will to the Netherlands and into ICC. But that's water under the bridge now, and it was my first time for an initial hearing, so I learned a lot from that.
Just out of interest, we all want to know in the Hague press pack, where did he spend his first night? Which hospital? What happened?
I do not know which hospital, but he spent the night in the hospital because when I talked to the doctor yesterday, the doctor said that all his medications were prescribed in the hospital.
In The Hague or in Rotterdam?
In I do not know.
Okay. I'm just curious because we were
sorry.
chasing him.
I do not know which hospital, but the doctor said that all the the medicines were prescribed in the hospital by the hospital doctor and not her, who is a doctor inside the ICC detention.
Maybe your daily visitation has been approved already.
Um, th- because my sister is coming, we made a schedule of taking turns in talking to him. So I gave more of the time to my sister since she's living with him back in the Philippines. So they have more of that family connection. I always discuss with him the things that I am doing with the lawyers.
And then are there plans for a similar gathering on his birthday?
Well, I do not know because this one was organized by the Filipino community around Europe. So I do not know what their plans are for the birthday of President Duterte. But let me just put it on record that I am truly grateful for the support of our kababayans, the Filipino communities here in Europe, and we truly appreciate them traveling several hours just to get here, just to express their anger, their support, and their love for their country.
And how do you feel? Do you feel angry?
And there's no time to be angry right now. So I just feel that I just need to set up the system here in The Hague so that I can go back home because I have an impeachment case as well that I need to attend to. And then I have an office which has projects that I need to be doing. So I just need to set up the system here so that I can go back and forth. My case, his case, my work.
Maybe you cut yourself short when the crowd chanted Marcos resign.
Yes, ma'am.
Why did you do that? You could have.
Because they're investigating me for inciting to sedition, ma'am. And I do not want any more cases against me because that will limit my movement in attending to the President Duterte, and attending to my work and my case, my impeachment case as
Bibi
well.
also said about certain irregularities in the budget.
Yes,
Are
ma'am.
you going to pursue any legal actions regarding that?
The representative from the district in Davao del Norte already filed a case in the Supreme Court, and that contains all the allegations of anomalies and infirmities, constitutional infirmities of the budget. Okay?
All right.
Thank you very much.
Thank
Thank you for your
you.
time. Thank you.